This little device right here is supposed to help you feel better, move easier, and relax more. And you can wear it anywhere on your body. But does it actually work? I'm going to wear this for the entire day while filming, editing, and even gaming to see if it actually makes a difference. Alright, so let's see what comes inside the box. First off, the box feels so premium. It comes with this protective foam. Here's the case that it comes with. Instruction manuals. It has your charging cords on top, a little area, 3 LED devices, straps. This is how they look. In the front, your power button, your different modes, brackets right here to slide in your straps, the LEDs right here, and this is where it charges. So the devices, they charge on the case, and then you plug in your USB-C right here on the charger. So it's a charging case. Very cool. Good material. Can't go wrong with this. Brings this strap right here. This is a long strap. And it brings the little straps. So you use the long strap for the bigger body parts. And then you attach these like so. It just slides in place. And so this helps you attach multiple units, or if you just need one, and then you use the smaller strap here to attach it. First things first, this thing is super lightweight and flexible, meaning you can literally strap it anywhere, your arm, back, knees, or even while sitting at your desk. This is how it looks with the 6 red lights. So they're nice and strong and they work well. Where will you use this the most? Drop a comment below. So the way to use this, to turn it on, you long press the power button. And then when you press the M, that changes the mode. So it starts with the mild mode. Then you press it again. It's mid mode and then strong mode. The different modes are the different times that it lasts on and the different intensity that the red light is. If you want to use a single unit, you slide in this one right here. You put it right on the grooves. Then you slide in the smaller strap that has the Velcro here. And then you put it on the area that you need to put it. Then you slide the strap in. You slide the strap in. And then you just tighten it to comfortable. And then you press the power button again just to start it. So you can see that it's on my wrist. Feels comfortable. I can wear this all day and still do my daily activities while I wear it. If you want to use 2 or more, all you do, you take off the little strap here. You attach this other strap that has the tool grooves. Slide it like so. You slide this one like so. You're able to adjust here if you need to bring this closer or further apart. And then depending on which body part you use, you either switch this one out to the medium size, or you use the extra long size right here. So the extra long is more for your back and when you're using 3. For 2, you can either use the smaller strap or the medium size strap. And the same thing. If you're going to use this one, you slide it on. You slide it like so. Very easy. Very easy to attach and very easy to put them on. Prungo is designed to give you a comfortable and relaxing experience. Strap it on, turn it on, and let it do its thing while you go about your day. But does it actually make a difference? Let's put it to the test. And normally my neck gets super stiff. But let's see how this holds up. I just finished blasting my biceps and my triceps. So let's see how this helps with the soreness for the next day. I'm going to leave it on for the time that it says, and I'll let you know how well this thing works later in the video. After I used it on my bicep, I'm going to put this on my back, and I'll let you know how my back feels later on. I just finished an intense workout for my quads and my calves. My legs, they're normally sore afterwards. I'm going to slap this on my quads and my calves and see how it feels later on. I've been sitting for long periods gaming, so this is a perfect time to test if Prungo can keep me feeling fresh. After using this for the full day, here's what I noticed. Alright, I was kind of skeptical at first, but I actually feel different. My muscles aren't as stiff, and I barely noticed it was even on me. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.